diversity. Why we have different factors leads, that is the diversity. We'll see that factors leads to why India possess such a diversity. ஏன் நம்ம இந்த மாதிரி differences நிறைய இந்தியாவில் இருக்கு. The reason, that's the factors, important reason why we have diversity. The factors leads to diversity or two. One is the historical diversity, and second one is the geographical diversity. So first we are going to see about the historical diversity. எப்படி historyனால நமக்கு diversity வந்துச்சு, how, that is what we are going to see about that. Since when? From 200 BCE people started, foreigners came to India. Who came to India? Those people are Indo-Greeks people. They came to India since from 200 BC to India, and also Central Asian and Europeans. So these peoples, they came to India, started coming to India from 200 BC. 200 BC லந்தே இந்தியாவுக்கு வர ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க. யாரு? foreigners. Those people, they come from other countries, or foreigners, they came to India into where? From Indo-Greek and Central Asian and European people, they came to India. What purposes they came to India? எதுக்காக நம்ம இந்தியாவுக்கு வந்தாங்கம்மா? இந்த 200 BC லந்தே நம்ம இந்தியாவுக்குள்ள இவங்கெல்லாம் வர ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க. For what purpose? ஏன் இந்த diversity? Why there are diversity? ஏன் இந்த மாதிரி different culture இந்தியாவில் இருக்கு அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கான காரணங்கள் தான் இது. Because many people from the foreign countries, they started coming to India by 200 BC, and they mainly, why they came? They came in search of new lands to trade with, business பண்றதுக்கு, trade பண்றதுக்கு, அதுக்காக நியூ லேண்டை தேடி வந்தாங்க. அப்படி வந்தது தான் நம்ம இந்தியாவுக்கு வந்தாங்க. and to settle in அங்கே வந்து ட்ரேட் பண்ணி அதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம நாட்டில் அப்படியே தங்குறதுக்காக they come from other countries to India. When they started coming from 200 BC, அதிலிருந்து foreigners இந்தியாவுக்கு வந்தாங்க. மெயினாக அவங்க புது இடத்தை தேடி ட்ரேட் பிஸ்னஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்காகவும் அந்த இடத்துலையே செட்டில் ஆகிறதுக்கும் வந்தாங்க. So what happened? They brought their culture. They brought their own culture and adopted the local culture of the region. So what happened, children? Why the diversity? இந்தியாவுக்கு diversity இது மாதிரி differences வந்தது அப்படின்னா, அங்கேருந்து வந்து செட்டில் ஆன பீப்புள் அவங்களோட பாரம்பரிய கல்ச்சரையும் நம்ம நாட்டுக்கு கொண்டு வந்தாங்க. அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் அங்கே இருக்க கல்ச்சர், அங்கே பீப்புளோட லோக்கல் கல்ச்சரையும் சேர்ந்து they have started on new culture. How the diversity, எப்படி differences இந்தியாவில் வந்ததுன்னா, like this people, those came from outside, they brought their own culture, அவங்க கல்ச்சரும் and along mingled with our culture and created a new culture. Yes, then what happened? This resulted in intermingling. ரெண்டையும் இணைச்சி, இன்டர்மிங்லாம் ரெண்டும் ஜாயின் அது intermingling culture and gave birth to new form of diversity. அப்படிதான் ஹிஸ்டாரிக்கல் டைவர்சிட்டி உருவானது. வெளிநாட்டிலேருந்து மக்கள் நம்ம நாட்டுக்கு வந்து பிஸ்னஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்காக புது இடத்த தேடி அங்கேயே செட்டில் ஆயிட்டாங்க. அப்படி செட்டில் ஆன பீப்புள் தன்னோட கல்ச்சரையும் கொண்டு வந்தாங்க, அந்த அங்கே இருக்க மக்களோட கல்ச்சரையும் சேர்த்து புது கல்ச்சர் நம்ம நாட்டில் உருவாச்சு. இது ஒரு தான் டைவர்சிட்டி டிஃப்ரென்சஸ் உருவாக்குறதுக்கான ஒரு காரணம். திஸ் இஸ் தி ஹிஸ்டாரிக்கல் டைவர்சிட்டி. தென் வில் மூவ் டு த ஜியோகிராஃபிக்கல் diversity. What is geographical diversity? Geographical features are what are highlands, plateaus, etc. So what happens? India geographical diversity. What is this geographical diversity? India has great geographical diversity. In what way? How it is? That is from north, Himalayas in the north, Himalayas in the north, desert in the desert in the west. Where we have desert in India, it is in Rajasthan, that is Thar desert. North, desert in the west, and plains and plateaus. Plains and plateaus. Where it is? These are in the center part of India. So that I will tell you where are this and all. So here the center plot is plains, coastal plains, plateaus, and north we have a mountain, and here we have a deserts. Desert is here, desert, then mountain, here coastal plain, plateau, triangular plateau. We have a plateau, etc. So from India has a great geographical features diversity because we have all the feature geographical. We have a mountain, we have a plains, we have a plateaus, we have a coastal area. So we possess a great geographical diversity from Himalayas from the north to desert in the west, Rajasthan, and plains and plateaus in the central areas, and stretches of coastal areas. Stretches of coastal areas in south. These are the coastal areas, south. So India is a home to all types of lands. We have all types of lands, so that we have a diversity in the geographical place. Geographical diversity is that we have got all the features of the geographical diversity. So India is called a geographical diversity, and not only this, these are such a vast geographical diversity. இவ்வளோ vast geographical differences இருக்கலாம்ல. The lives of people living in these areas, termed in clothes. They have possessed these people living in these areas have different lifestyle in terms of clothing. So we have a different climatic conditions, so different physical features. For example, mountain, which is very cold, their same kind of clothes all people cannot wear. If it is a hot place, we used to wear cotton. If it is in a mountain areas, we used to wear cloths, woolen cloths. So that is why the geographical feature is different. So people differ in terms of wearing clothes and eating habits also differs. Okay, in cold areas people used to take more fat content items like the meat etc. they used to take. If it is in a hot place we used to take more coconut for keeping us cool. So that is the diversity because of a different geographical diversity. People use these different clothes, they eat different food habits, they have a different food habits. And not only in this, people living in the plains, people living in plain areas, சமவெளியில வசிக்கிறவங்க என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, they mostly engaged, என்ன மாதிரி வேலை பண்ணுவாங்க, engaged in farming, agriculture. Farming is nothing but children, agriculture. Their main occupation, people living in a plain areas are is farming, whereas those living in coastal areas, கடற்கரை ஓரமா இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு main occupation is coastal areas fishing, because they'll go to sea and catch the fishes. So this is also the diversity, because we have a different diversity. நமக்கு plain இருக்கு, we have a coastal areas இருக்கு, அதனால நம்மளோட occupation is also different. People living in plains mostly engaged in farming, and whereas because farming we need a equal land, so plains are equal lands, we can able to do farming, whereas those living in coastal areas they go for, because they are near the sea, so they go for the fishing. And not only that, people living in urban areas or cities, urban na city and towns, urban areas have different lifestyle, they have a different lifestyles from those living in rural areas. Rural areas is nothing but villages. What is that? Villages. So not only this plain and coastal areas, people those who are living in urban areas, towns and cities, their life is different from people living in villages. Why? People living in villages, the mainly occupations they do is agriculture. If you take that urban areas, people are mostly working in industries. So these are the geographical differences of the diversity. That is the geographical differences. Differences is diversity. Today's assignment is learn the factors leads to the diversity. What are the two factors that we have seen that leads to diversity? Geographical diversity and historical diversity. I hope you have understood the topic, children. Go through well and do the assignment without fail. Have a nice day. Thank you.